Rates will come up on your screen, and we'll look at indices, then go down into stocks. What do we have? The bell should go off. There we go. So 2586, 2580, unchanged. Nifty Bank for now is blinking red and green, but slightly higher, maybe slightly better than the Nifty at this point. We'll see. The Sensex on your screen, 81,870. And of course, the mid and small cap indices both did better than the large caps yesterday. So 0.5% of the small cap index and the mid cap index is also up about 0.25% or so. So it's a quieter start. Yesterday was quiet all told, and I think today, this morning at least, something similar. 30 points now on the Nifty, 0.12. That's the Nifty heat map. Bulk of the Nifty 50 names are all starting in the green. Asian Paints for the second day running, I think, is down in terms of down the most on the Nifty index. Adani Enterprises on the other end, Bajaj Finserv, etc. as well. Surabhi.
Okay, very, very quiet. Adani Enterprises is in news. It's received a sizable order, over 4,000 crores, for setting up a ropeway project in, I think, at Kedarnath and Sonprayag. That stock's up about 1%. M&M, Hero, some of the auto names are coming back. They took a couple of days of a breather. Right now, there's buying of about 1% on Mahindra & Mahindra, and Hero is up a little over 0.5%. L&T, 0.5% higher. There is Adani Ports, which is managing to flash a little bit of green as well. NTPC and Power Grid from the PSU power space looking okay, but then it just completely quietens down. On the lower side, you've got a couple of large names like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, flat to negative. Lever is at the flat line. Asian Paints, Titan, Nestle. So it's a bit of a down day for a lot of consumer stocks. Eternal also lower by about 0.2% at this point in time. Nothing is falling too much. Nothing is rising too much. So it's that kind of a market. Nifty is very, very flat at this point, 22 higher.
Well, mid-cap index absolutely unchanged. The big winners are some of the ones with order wins. So Sangvi Movers, 3.5%. NCC starts off trade with a gain of 3%. Mishra Dhatu higher. Transrail Lighting 2 has a green tick at open. KRBL rebounds after the 10% gash yesterday. United Breweries in focus. There is a JP Morgan note, overweight. They say the stock has corrected 10% in the past 2 months while the Nifty has been flat, and it offers a good entry opportunity. So they've got a target price of 2,050 on United Breweries, and that stock opens up in the green. Other movers include, I think there is a company called Sigachi that's higher. GMR Power up for the second day in a row. Yesterday, stock was up nearly about 10%. It's followed it up with another 3.5% gain, 22% rally from the start of this month. So GMR Power continues to be in focus. Anant Raj sees buying. Yet again, that's the data center play that the street's excited about. One Mobi quick on, should be on your radar for the kind of volumes and price action it's seen. And today, that stock is up 2%. On the way down, railways are seeing some profit booking after yesterday's run. IRDA, Aircon, RVNL have opened in the red. Apollo Microsystems too. Stock which has seen a 180% surge this year is now down close to about 1.25%. And Asahi India QIP has been launched and the stock has opened. They're planning to raise about 1,000 crore rupees. Let me rephrase that. And the stock is down close to about 0.5%. Very, very quiet opening, unchanged.
Yeah, no, absolutely. And so far, nothing on it. So 25,090 on the Nifty and 81,870 on the Sensex is where we are at. So those are changes.